Yo, 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 YouTube, this your boy Columbus, and welcome to the Columbus Show. And we about to get on the ride on the 8.7 Pro. Got a nice little 16, 17-mile ride back. So, see how this go. Knew that was a bike with that sound like old school. All right, so go straight up there and then make a right. All right. Yep, yep. Yeah, I'm about to put some beats on or something. Because, I can't play no regular music. You know what I mean? Yeah, I didn't got them. Even when you declare everything, they still get you. You feel me? And I think if you declare it, that shouldn't happen, right? Uh, okay, go here, here. So I got to go to the copywritten free music. You know what I'm saying? I know it's just instrumentals, but it is what it is. They don't flag me on these, so just got to find something I ain't already listened to, which is the hard part. Okay, I ain't listened to this one. Look like. All right. All right, bro. Oh, I forgot it's working. Thanks again. I like that for the kids because too many kids be around my bike. But all right, shit, I don't. I can breathe good in here though. Believe it or not, huh? Yeah. All right. Yep. Oh, this air is feeling so good. Like 45, 50. It's all over the hills at full speed. Get the words from everybody today. They loving my shit. I'm loving it too. They loving it. I'm loving it too. I gotta get me one of them neck fans. Should go to that Dollar General, but nah. I'm trying to hurry up and get back home area, at least downtown. Acceleration is crazy right now. I don't know why. Maybe because I let it stay turned on for like 20 minutes before I rode it. I gotta start doing that. This acceleration is killer.